Yo, Red, back from jail. Avalanche unboxing. Contraband, jailhouse yo-yo string. Just showing you guys what it's up. I made these when I was in jail. They're pretty nice, really long. I'm selling them for 5 packs for $5. If you think that price is too steep, talk to me. We can work something out. So yeah, make this short because I can't upload the video if it's too long. Comes with this token. Came with these stickers. I got the P.E.K.K.A. Avalanche. I don't know what kind of string this is, but I just throw G string, so. Yeah, it's glad to be good to be back, guys. Cigarette smoke in my eyes. I got the hat, camouflage hat too. Pretty sweet, marmot. Let's see what's up with this yo-yo. It's pretty big and it's light. I've been throwing the mark on my necks for a while, so it's feels a little different. Pretty noisy. Out of the box. I'm glad to know I still got my skills. Seems like a pretty decent yo-yo. I'll put a review up in like a week or two. Let you guys know what's up with it. See how it grinds. Grinds decent. Could be longer. So yeah, guys. Thanks for having me back.